Okay, let's say hello to Micaiah, a junior from Forest City, Iowa. He's studying choral music education. In addition to serving as student body vice president, Micaiah is a big fan of the outdoors, which makes him a great person to discuss all the activities that Cedar Valley has to offer. Take it away, Micaiah.
Thank you for the introduction, Alex. Hello, everyone. One of my favorite features at UNI is the amazing opportunities that the Cedar Valley has to offer. When I'm not on campus, you can usually find me running or biking the over 120 miles of trails between Waterloo and Cedar Falls. These trails are a huge factor for my mental health here at UNI, and I can tell that the city has put a lot of effort into making sure our town is a bicycle and running friendly community. One Cedar Falls tradition I love is going downtown every Wednesday night with the UNI Men's Varsity Glee Club. Main Street offers close to 90 opportunities to do things like shop, eat, and play, where you can strengthen your friendship with your peers. If you're a hockey fan like me, you can even catch a Waterloo Blackhawks game in downtown Waterloo. As a music and theater lover, I could not go without talking about the amazing shows that UNI and the Cedar Valley have to offer. The Cedar Valley offers tons of ensembles to perform in, like the Waterloo Cedar Falls Symphonic Orchestra or even the Metropolitan Chorale. The Gallagher Blue Dorn Performing Arts Center also brings in award-winning Broadway tours and other high-quality acts. The Cedar Valley is also home to Lost Island, which is ranked by USA Today as the second best water park in the nation. As you can see, the Cedar Valley has a variety of options for people of different backgrounds and interests. When I chose UNI as my home away from home, I wanted to make sure that I was stepping into a town that wasn't too big, but still had plenty of opportunities for me. And I found that here in the Cedar Valley. Thank you for listening to my story, and I'd like to pass it back to you, Alex. Go Cats!
Music, theater, plus over 120 miles of hiking and biking trails, and even hockey. It's no wonder you enjoy exploring the Cedar Valley, and it's what attracts so many students to Cedar Falls, a great college town. Micaiah, wonderful job.